Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic project planning fundamental. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you are a student of project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very interesting topic for you. So let's start. Friend, first of all I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that many videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project planning fundamental. Friend, first of all we have to understand that what is actually a project planning. Friend, whenever we talk about project planning, it is the second phase in the project management. If we talk about as per the PMBOK guide, project management body of knowledge, this is the second level or second phase, like initiation, planning, then the execution, monitoring and controlling, and then the closing. So the planning is the next, the second phase in the as per the project management life cycle. This is the second phase of the project management. Now actually what is project planning? A project consists of 5 different phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling. Planning is the second phase of the project life cycle, where a plan after the initiation plan phase is made, so the process of execution may begin. The project plan serve as a roadmap for the entire process of project management. Basically, friend, see, whenever we are talking about project planning, we are basically talking that how will you do the things actually. Basically it tells you how will you achieve the project objectives, how will you complete the project, how will you achieve the objectives, the aims and the purpose of the project, why you are doing the things. So basically it answers you how and when, basically. Okay, so all these types of questions which are related to how, it will be answered through the project planning. In the project planning we do all types of planning, all types of means that scope planning, risk planning, communication planning, procurement planning, how will you handle the issues, how will you monitor and control the things. So basically all types of planning is basically done in this phase. So the fundamental of project planning based on, first of all, determination of the scope, cost and resources. In this phase, in this fundamental, basically you identify what are the deliverables which you are going to deliver to the scope, to the customer as per the scope document. So the scope boundaries are defined in this phase, in this planning fundamental, and then the cost, like whatever the scope you are going to deliver, how much cost will be required and what type of resources, how many resources are required. Then identifications of the problem. Identification of the problem means that you must have to know that what actually the problem due to which the customer is initiating the problem, what is the pain area, what is the issue in which, due to which they are issuing, they are starting a project. So basically you must have to identify the problem and pain area of the customer as well. Identification of the stakeholder, this is another fundamental. That means you must have to identify the stakeholder. Stakeholder is a person who has a positive or a negative interest in a project. Okay, project stakeholder can be project manager, project team member, the CTO, CEO, senior management, functional managers. So all end users, vendors, they all are basically the stakeholder of a project. So as a project manager, in the planning you have to identify what type of stakeholders are involving in your project, and not only identification, you have to identify their influence, their impact, their interest, either it's positive and negative, and how they can positively or negatively impact your project, and what is the influence level of that stakeholder. Definition of the project objective, that means this is the next fundamental. That means you must have to identify that what are the objectives, what are the goals, aims, due to which the customer is starting a project. You must have to meet with the customer, having a detailed discussion with him, and identify the project objective, because the whole project is basically based on the project objective actually. Then why project planning is important, friend? Project planning ensures monitoring of the budget and schedule at every step. The project plan includes a schedule that guides team members in completing their task and helps them in knowing which tool they will need and when. It also helps the team stay engaged for higher project performance. The project plan ensures there is the active participation of all the team members and allows them to have an opportunistic approach towards their work actually. So, basically friend, due to all these reasons the project planning is important. Why? Whenever you are starting a project, whenever you are initiating a project, this is very very important that you must have to know, you must have to document that how will you achieve the objective, where you want to go. So, how will you go there actually, what is the objective, how will you achieve that objective. So, all these types of questions are basically answered during the project planning phase actually. So, friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.